and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting an egg. I think this is one of the easiest paintings that you can make. These are the colors that you'll be needing: white, yellow, orange, light blue, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget, share your paintings with me using the hashtag in the bio to be featured as the artist of the week. Now let's begin. All right, this is so easy, you guys. First things first, we're going to make the shadow of the egg white. We're gonna do an over easy sunny side up, just cracked out of the egg. So what we're going to do is take our light blue and we are going to make the edge of the egg white. And this is going to help the egg stand out on our paper. It does not have to be perfect. In fact, it's actually a really good thing if the edges are a little wobbly and not quite smooth, because you wouldn't actually have smooth edges necessarily on an egg. Just saying. So, there you go. There's the first part of the egg. How easy is that? I'm gonna actually add a little bit of extra blue here and there. Okay, that makes it look a little bit more, gives it a little bit more definition, makes it look a little bit more painterly. Like I said, you guys, this is so easy. It's so easy. Now we're gonna go in and do the egg yolk. We're gonna come back and do the white. First, we're gonna do the yolk. So what I'm gonna do is take the orange and a clean finger and just kind of drag a line like so. Make it a little bit curved. And we're gonna do the top of our egg yolk. So this could actually be a circle. We'll make it like a little circle, a little round thing. There you go. There's the edge of the egg yolk. So we got our shadows in, and now all we have to do is throw our highlights in. And this is where it becomes a super easy and quick painting that impresses so many people. Everybody's gonna be like, how'd you make this? And you're gonna be like, oh, it's just like cracking an egg. It's really easy. Simpler than cracking an egg. You're not gonna get shells everywhere. All right, going in with our yellow, we're gonna actually get into this center. Make sure that you do the center, the little bit that you left white first, because you want to make sure that that stays bright and doesn't get the other colors muddled in. And we're going to kind of just take our finger and doing little circles, little back and forth strokes. We're going to carry it out towards the edge of our orange yolk. There we go. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks so shaded and so pretty. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of white and I'm actually going to kind of just make a little bit of a sheen on top of the egg white, like so. Maybe there's another little one here. See, it looks like the light's hitting this egg yolk and it's really making it shiny. Now, the next thing we're gonna have to do, super easy, just go into our white. We already were using the white, and we're just going to go in and start adding it right here and blending it in with our light pale blue. Might actually take a little bit of pale blue and just go around the edge of our orange, just to make sure that it stands up and pops out. But yeah, we're gonna just go, don't make it too thick, but don't make it too thin either. Maybe some parts have more white, some parts are a little bit more blue, and don't carry it the whole way over to the edge. Get close, but make sure you leave some spots that have this darker light blue. Darker light blue. That sounds like a confusion. Confusion, that's confusing. All right. Well, a little bit of egg yolk got into our white. That's okay. See? Maybe it's shining and the light is reflecting off of the egg yolk and it's shining on to the white. You have that. That's what it looks like. Again, this is one of the easiest paintings that you can do with your fingers. I want to paint eggs all the time now because they're just so easy. It's like as easy to make with paint as it is to make breakfast with eggs. All right, so just fill in the areas that you like. And there you have it. Ta-da! We have an egg. How easy was that, y'all? It's so easy. I'm actually gonna just throw a little bit of blue in because why not? And see, every little bit that you add really helps to give a little bit more character and a little bit more of a painterly quality to your piece. Ta-da! There's an egg. How easy was that? What does your egg look like? Is it exciting? All right, you guys, until next time, I hope that you enjoyed painting with me. Sending you lots of love. Bye!